You ready to munch?
No.
MUNCHPAK, snacks from around the world delivered to your door. There's 10 full-size snacks, 1 unique soda, a coupon for a future subscription,
I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get to the bonus MUNCHPAK.
bonus MUNCHPAK sunglasses, or a reusable straw, not both.
Oh man, okay. I was really
right.
hoping we both got something special.
Let's do it.
I'm not gonna lie, I ate so much dinner before doing it.
Not gonna lie, I'm starving, so I hope there's something good in here. You munch on the
Munch the
pack.
pack.
Get that ASMR. Get closer to the ooh. Now we're an ASMR channel.
We don't know what we are, but this is it.
Oh,
This is my face.
beautiful.
Alright.
Alright, let's bust this MUNCHPAK open.
Oh, it's got a sticker!
So first, let me do the beauty guru thing where it's like, first we have a little MUNCHPAK sticker.
Oh, hashtag not sponsored. That is cute.
Ooh, okay, hold on. I gotta do this. This is what YouTubers do, right? Where you have to like show off.
Yeah, first of all, this isn't like where we work. We sell these boxes, and I'm just gonna say, when you open up the boxes we sell, no.
It's like they just threw stuff
Yeah.
into a box. This is like packaged.
It's like some disgruntled employees just like, they're just snacks.
Alright, well we got a straw, not the glasses.
Ew. I was not expecting
Oh god, it's a weird rubbery texture. We have to use it for the soda. There's a soda in here.
Oh my god. Oh, I've always wanted to try these.
Ooh, she's weird. Oh no. Let's dive in.
Ooh.
Let's start with these.
I can do this.
These are toxic waste nuclear fusion sour candy from Pakistan.
Great.
I guess let's
just do
go
this.
for it.
Teeth are jewels, not tools. Wait, there's is it, how long can you keep one in your mouth? Full Toxie head. 60 seconds.
Ooh,
a
for
Toxie
sure.
wannabe, 45 seconds. Crybaby, 30 seconds. A total wuss, 15 seconds. Alright.
I got this.
Oh, okay. Wait, oh, they're...
Individually
it's
wrapped.
individually wrapped, but I kind of like it.
What are the different... I want a raspberry lemon. Oh, grape strawberry.
Oh, no. Ugh. Who likes grape?
Sorry.
Banana blueberry?
Ew, who likes banana?
Oh, pineapple passion fruit.
Ooh, that sounds good too.
Oh god, my mouth's watering.
Oh, I got it. Okay, ready? Boop. Oh,
I hate this so much.
it's really not that bad. I like sour candy. It's not bad. It's just like a regular warhead. Oh. It has like a weird underlayer that I'm not a fan of.
Oh,
I want to do the challenge,
I take.
but I also feel like we should just move on from this.
I taste the toxic.
the toxic waste, do we want to spit it in the straw?
I don't want to. I hated that so much.
Alright, well that's one down. You want to introduce the next snack? Ooh, that actually sounds
Zohar's
good.
finest potato crinkles. Okay, these look different.
Oh, wow, that's not what I thought they were going to look
They
like.
smell. Hold on. They smell like a factory.
They smell like they're not food.
Oh, it's dusty. And look, a sunflower seed. It tastes like a sunflower seed shell.
It's not as salty as I thought it was going to be.
It's like ranch sunflower. It just tastes like ranch sunflower seeds.
Really good. 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Good snack.
I'm coming back to that. It
Yeah.
tastes like, not gonna lie though, it tastes like you're eating like a, wall. Like plaster.
You just took a bite out of the wall. I get that.
Yeah.
I don't want to go for that one.
Let's save that one. Oh, double dip.
Double dip orange and cherry. Swizzles double dip from the United Kingdom.
It's a fun dip.
Yeah, there's
Does it have
one.
two sticks?
No, there's one stick and 2 different flavors.
Oh wait, weren't we calling this segment snacks
Snacks and facts, but then you were like, oh, we only have 20 minutes, we gotta go.
We do. Do you want to give it a fact?
Fact, we've known each other for like 5 years. I don't like cherry, I'm going for orange.
I was just about to say I hate orange. I'm taking cherry.
That's why we're meant to be together.
Getting bigger?
Yeet. Ooh, that's messy.
Oh god. It's fun dip.
Yeah. It's like less sour fun dip.
Yeah, it's everywhere, but I like the sticks. You can have powder.
Okay, I'm just gonna add it to the pile of snacks.
Oh.
Ooh, I thought you liked the stick.
No.
Incorrect.
I did the stick tastes like poison after you eat it.
Oh my.
Okay. I want to go with these. These are just, these little monkeys are just staring me in the face.
Oh, I meant to be doing this the whole time.
Me too.
Oops.
My bad.
First video, Fruity Monkey Party Gummies. Chewy strawberry and banana flavored gummies in the shape of monkeys from China.
Alright, I'll go for the banana because you ate a banana.
Ooh, they're so cute.
Look at these.
I don't know how this works, but maybe that's doing something.
Fun dip dust all over my fingers. Yo. Oh, what's up?
Thank you, China.
Up, Fruity. The bananas are good.
Fine.
Okay.
It tastes like strawberry banana.
Okay.
Both of them just taste like strawberry and banana.
Yo. Let's eat.
That's a good one. So we left two things in here. One being the soda. It has coconut in it. And then the other being...
Okay. I say, let's do the drink first. I think that we should say this for last because...
Should we use the straw?
Yes, we should use the straw. Are you kidding me? Alright. Okay.
So,
Fanta tropical cream soda. Everyone knows what Fanta is. This is cream.
Fanta.
Fanta? It's Wanna Fanta. It's not Wanna Fanta.
Yeah, but nobody says that.
The commercial does. The song says it. It's sweet and creamy orange, pineapple, and coconut flavored soda from Thailand. I thought this was a German product.
I don't know, but I fucking hate coconut.
Oh, it's green.
Ooh, that's fun.
Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I'm just curious as to how this rubber hose is gonna taste. Okay, should I go first?
Taste of it. I guess you've already had a little sneak preview.
Okay.
Oh no, don't say anything. Just let me do it.
Okay.
Just let me do it.
It tastes like a candy that's been in your car for a really long time. Let's give it without the straw, because maybe the straw is the thing that sucks.
Don't think it is, but we can pretend. I don't know if I want to drink it again.
I don't want a Fanta. I don't want a nothing. I don't want this drink. This tastes like something I know, and I don't like it. Alright, moving on. Last but not least, fashion foods.
Here's the last one.
It's a cracker?
Oh, crunchy crackers packed with paprika flavor.
What is
I'm sorry.
Paprika? Paprika.
Alright, well,
Change of plans.
the end cut off with us opening these. Turns out, I didn't hate them.
I hated them. Tastes like when you throw up ramen.
I think that they are alright, and I ate a lot of them.
I think you're alright.
That's all I can ask for. Tune in next time when we know what we're doing. Bye!